We're going to be looking at how to create, modify, and apply text styles. Text styles are used to manage and automate almost every aspect of your text objects. Text styles allow you to maintain consistency in your drawing annotations and to organize your text. To automate text standards at your company, you can add text styles to your company-wide drawing template, making it very easy for all users to follow your text placement standards. Most characteristics of your text are controlled by the text style, including the font, text height, and width factor. AutoCAD also has some pretty nifty text features where you can leverage some of the existing data inside your drawing by inserting fields into text elements. We're also going to modify some text properties to adjust its appearance. AutoCAD has a built-in spell check and even allows users to add words to a custom dictionary. I'm working in a plumbing plan for a golf course clubhouse. I want to create a new text style and apply it to the notes. The text style tool is located in the lower annotation panel on the Home tab. I select the text style tool. I select New. I call my new text style General Notes and click OK. I'm going to use Open Sans for my font. Here's a neat trick. If you type the first couple of letters of the desired font, AutoCAD will drop you down to that location in the fonts list. I click Apply and Close. To change the text style for my existing mText elements, I select the two text objects and select General Notes from the text style list on the annotation panel. I click Escape to release my selections. I'm going to switch to Layout 1. Most title blocks use attributes, but in this case the title block is just using text objects. I'm going to go to the Application menu so I can display the drawing properties. I want you to see what properties are currently associated with this drawing. I select Drawing Utilities, Drawing Properties. I select the Summary tab. Notice I have filled in a title and the name of the drafter. I click OK. I go over to the title block. I click on the drawn text. I right-click and select Insert Field. I select Document under Field Category and highlight Author. I click OK. The field is inserted. I select the date text. I right-click and select Insert Field. I select Date and Time under Field Category and select my desired date format. I click OK. I select the file name text. I right-click and select Insert Field. I select Document under Field Category and select File Name. I enable File Name Only so that only the file name is displayed. I disable Display File Extension so the DWG file extension won't be displayed. I click OK. I select the mText tool from the Home tab on the ribbon. I place the rectangle for the mText inside the drawing title area in the title block. I select the Field tool from the ribbon. I select Document under Field Category and select Title. I click OK. I highlight the text and adjust the text height. I select the Center Justification from the text formatting bar. The mText adjusts to Center Justification. My last task is to perform a spell check. The spell check tool is located on the text panel of the Annotate tab. I select Spell Check. I can spell check the entire drawing, or I can select an area or object to spell check. I choose selected objects from the drop-down list. I then use the Pick option to allow me to select the drawing notes and a dimension located on the left side of the floor plan. I click Enter to complete my selection. I click Start on the check spelling dialog box. Like many designers, I use acronyms and technical terms in my notes. I don't want to be prompted every time certain acronyms are tagged like hot water, so I select Add to Dictionary. I do the same with cold water and ventilator. I hit my first misspelled word. AutoCAD offers me a list of possible corrections. The one on top is the one I want, so it's highlighted, and I click the Change button to make the fix. I correct the misspelled word. I correct the next misspelled word. The next word that is caught is hand sink, but that word is correct, so I'm going to add it to the dictionary. I misspelled the word overall, which I had added to this dimension. The spell check tool caught the error, and I select the change button to correct it. AutoCAD lets me know the spelling check is complete, so I click OK and close the dialog. Just about any drawing you work in is going to require some text. Creating and using text styles ensure that your drawings look consistent. Fields allow you to leverage existing data and save you unnecessary typing. One main benefit of using a spell checker is its accuracy. No matter what your spelling ability is, running spell check on any digital document before it is plotted or distributed ensures accuracy and professionalism.